You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? You're looking at how to say 2022 or 2022, as in the year, in Spanish. How do you pronounce it? This is how you write it, and it is said as 2000, 2022, 22 being 22. 2022 is how you'd say it in Spanish. 2022 is how to say 2022 or 2022 in Spanish. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video if you found it useful, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.